समझ में आ गया? So string is
Yes, ma'am.
set of characters. If you start with single quotes, end with single quotes. If you start with double quotes, end with double quotes. Clear? So now you see, once again I will be explaining this just for recap. So here one string is given. String is computer science enclosed within single
And
quote.
we are not able to
Now
see
we are
the
print. Opening PDF I am showing once again.
Change the screen, ma'am.
Ma'am, idle खुला हुआ है.
Okay. So now are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So str is a variable which is assigned a string value. So string value is enclosed in inverted commas. If it is started with single quote, end with a single quote. Okay, Tejas, are you there?
Ma'am.
Yeah, don't
Yes,
write
ma'am.
anything now, so that I can record and send to your friends also.
What? I'm not writing anything.
Okay, fine, fine. So, listen. Okay. So otherwise I had to lock
Hey,
that.
मैंने लिखा डरना मत डाल.
Okay, listen children. See now, print str hyphen then comma str. What does it mean? Whatever it is written within the print within inverted comma, as it is we will get, but not the inverted commas. Clear? That single quotes will not come, but str this hyphen will come. Then the value of str. What do we get here? Computer science. Tejas,
Ma'am.
following.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone is there, na? Kumari is there?
Snail is not there, ma'am.
Kumari.
Snail is not there.
Snail PUBG. PUBG is playing.
Okay, next line, Snehal will answer.
Snail is not there, ma'am.
Where is he gone?
PUBG is playing.
PUBG. Safe zone.
Ask Snehal to answer this line. So now you see, str 0. 0 is to indicate the index, and this square bracket is to indicate it is the subscript. That is, within the string only, what is the 0th character? C. So str 0 hyphen C you will get. Next print str 1, 2, 3. Are you able to follow whatever I am teaching? So much of other noise is coming, so that's the reason I have to mute you all. Listen, see, just now whatever I explained, once again I am recapitalizing. See here, print str1:3. What does this mean? Whatever it is there in the inverted commas, as it is you will get, and then separated by comma. Without inverted commas, there is something. So that means value of this. Value of str starting from first index, ending with 3, but third index is not included. So here what do we get? 1 is C. C is 0th index. So O से शुरू करेंगे. O is 1. M is 2. P is 3. 3 should not be included. So what is the result we will get here? Ohm. Okay. So next print str3:hyphen. So what do we get the result here? 3: is from the third index. So 0th index is C, first index is O, second index is M, third index is P. So P से शुरू करके पूरा कंप्यूटर साइंस तक. ठीक है. And next line str multiplied by 2. What do we get? Multiplication for strings is, it is replication, repetition of the same for twice. Okay. So now what is the str here? Computer science. So computer science, again computer science you will get. Okay. So now did you all understand today what did we learn? Did you all understand?
क्लास का चैलेंज वो रखा हुआ है उसमें इसमें
डेटा टाइप
वो आ गया है, कल ही आ गया था किया ना, कल 3 क्लास आ गया था ना.
For
जल्दी
example,
कर दो 3 करेंगे तो
Ayush,
9-10 घंटा लग जाएगा
Ayush.
Swati, कौन सा
हाँ मैम बोलो
Mute.
See, listen here. This kind of questions will be asked. STR equal to computer science. For I in STR, print type. What do we get? I value is every single character at a time is taken. So C, then O, next time M. Because here termination
Space.
is not given. Termination by space, end equal to space, nothing is mentioned. So automatically it will come in the next line. समझ में आ रहे हैं? You people were asking na to get it in the next line. Got it? So these kind of questions I'll be giving you. Now before that we'll proceed to Boolean also. See, Boolean is either true or false. STR, is it in uppercase? How do we get? Strings have some built-in functions. Okay, so E is upper to check whether the given string is in uppercase. Now is it in uppercase?
Yes. No, ma'am.
So what do we
No,
get?
ma'am.
False.
Result of Boolean here.
False.
False.
What is this? False. Right? True or false only you will get. Boolean type of value, Boolean type will give you either true or false. These two values only. So what is output you will get here? False.
False.
So other data types, list, tuples. So list is collection of items, mutable or immutable?
Mutable.
Mutable, right? So, but what about tuples?
Immutable.
Immutable.
Is mutable, tuple is immutable. Immutable, what do you mean by mutable? We can mute and unmute. Abhi to kar rahe hain na? We are muting and unmuting, isn't it? So that is a list. But if we are not able to do anything, immutable, then that is a tuple. Understood? So see example, whenever you are asked to differentiate list and tuple, the way you should answer is, see first what is the list, what is the tuple. Then give an example for each, though it is not asked in your question paper. Okay, all questions in programming, all questions in computer science should be followed by example. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the sets? The set is unordered collection of unique and immutable type, right? So set is C. We do not have key value pairs, only values. This is a set. Clear? So what is the output here in sets? Just like in your mathematics sets, wherever repetition is there, it will be taken only once. Got it? So but dictionary, you will have key value pairs. So if you want to get only keys, you can dict.keys, you can retrieve. If you want to get value of class, only value of that key, so dict.get method we can use. Clear? And what
Yes,
are all the
ma'am.
operators we can use? See, today we discussed plus, minus,
Minus,
multiplication. This is not only multiplication, it is replication also. And single slash, double slash is floor division. Double star is exponent. Percentage symbol is modulus. That will give you reminder. Clear? Children, this much is clear? So I want you to do all these programs and upload in the Moodle Cloud. Clear? So we'll stop here. Is there any doubt? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that Moodle Cloud is not working.
Which one? Whose it is not working?
Mine, ma'am, right now.
Whose, ma'am?
Right now.
Okay.
Ma'am, Vaishnav, ma'am.
Whosoever it is not working. Okay, so I will be helping you out. You just send me message through WhatsApp or through chat. Okay, fine. Moodle Cloud ka jiska email ID is not working or login is not working, I'll change their password and I'll help you out. Okay, nothing to worry. But as of now, it is very clear, na? Right? So let me show you. Let me see your faces whether you have followed or not. Tarak Ram, understood everything? Today, whatever we discussed, Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood everyone? Vaishnav? Just show me your faces, all of you. So we'll stop. Wind up here. Mohit, Vignesh, Anshit, Vamshi, Kantamilan, Arindam. Arindam never shown his face to me. Okay? Okay, children? Are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about these online classes? Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
This feedback we are giving to our authorities. Okay. So there's screenshots we need. Okay, come on, all of you come to video mode. Come to video mode. Yeah, Vamshi. Is there Vamshi? Nitin is there. Santamilan, come to our video mode, please. Anshit, Vaishnav, come to video mode just for you. So today, what and all we discussed, you all understood. No, Hemant is there.
Yes.
Phone not connected. Are you all okay? So now everyone is there. Vamshi also come to video mode. Right? How do you feel? Are you all okay with this lessons? Good? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood everything today, whatever we discussed? Operators, data types, and simple basics of 11th standard. Santamilan, you also come online. Come to video mode. Krishnakant. Okay, children, any doubts you can post there in Moodle Cloud. There I'll be receiving that too by email also, even through WhatsApp also you can come to me. Right? If you have all any doubts you are having, but keep doing, children. Unless until you practice, no, nothing will work out. How much ever I teach also, how much ever you see videos, online YouTube videos also, so many things are available for Python. But unless until you put into practice, it's of no use. So I request you all to practice whatever been taught. Okay, experiment. You just change the codings here and there and see what type of error you are getting. See, division by zero error also many people could not answer in session ending. Right? I haven't corrected your papers, but generally I am speaking of. Clear? I didn't see your papers, but generally I'm telling. So many of you have other section when I corrected others. Okay. So I realized that even my children would have done these mistakes. Understood? So, okay, children, all the best. Practice. This PDF also I'll be sharing with you in WhatsApp. Okay, children? Okay, bye-bye.